Embroidery machines have revolutionized the world of stitching, making it possible for anyone to create intricate and beautiful designs with ease. In 2023, the technology behind embroidery machines has advanced significantly, providing users with a range of features and functions that were once unimaginable. With so many options available on the market, choosing the right embroidery machine can be a daunting task. In this video, we will explore the best embroidery machines of 2023, taking a closer look at their unique features, capabilities, and benefits. Whether you're a professional embroiderer or just starting out, there is an embroidery machine out there that will suit your needs and take your stitching to the next level. So join us as we discover the best embroidery machines of 2023 and find the perfect one for you. At number 1 is the Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is a powerful and versatile tool that brings together the best of both worlds: sewing and embroidery. One of the most impressive features of this machine is the large 5 by 7 inches embroidery field. This provides ample space for larger designs and projects, reducing the need for frequent rehooping. Additionally, the included hoop makes it easy to get started on your embroidery projects right away. With 138 built-in designs and 11 embroidery fonts, this machine is perfect for monogramming and adding unique designs to your clothing, home decor, and accessories. The 240 built-in sewing stitches, including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes, make it easy to create custom garments and projects with ease. The advanced needle threader function on this machine is a game changer for anyone who has struggled with threading the needle on their own. With the press of a lever, the thread is easily pushed through the needle, saving time and frustration. Additionally, the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensures that your machine runs smoothly and efficiently. The large, full-color 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen display is easy to navigate and provides a preview of your designs, making it easy to browse editing options and make adjustments before you start stitching. Overall, the Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is a fantastic investment for anyone who is serious about sewing and embroidery. With its combination of powerful features, intuitive design, and ease of use, this machine is perfect for both beginners and experienced sewers alike. Just keep in mind that this product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts, and any other use or sale voids the warranty. At number 2 is the Janome Memory Craft 500E Embroidery Machine. The Janome Memory Craft 500E Embroidery Machine is a top-of-the-line machine that is perfect for those who want to personalize their clothing, home decor items, and accessories. With 160 built-in embroidery designs and 6 fonts for monogramming, the possibilities are endless. One of the standout features of the MC500 is its full-color touchscreen that provides easy access to a range of on-screen editing functions. These functions include enlarge, reduce, rotate, flip, drag and drop, arc, combine, copy and paste, grouping, corner layout, single color sewing, and zoom. These editing functions make it easy for designers to customize their designs and create unique and personalized pieces. The MC500E also has a maximum embroidery size of 7.9 by 11, making it possible to create large and intricate designs. Additionally, the machine comes with 4 embroidery hoops: Ray 28 7.9 by 11, SQ20 7.9 by 7.9, 220B 5.5 by 7.9, and SQ14 5.5 by 5.5, which allows for a range of project sizes and shapes. Another feature that sets the MC500 apart is its stop-loading full rotary hook bobbin, which provides smooth and precise stitching. Additionally, the machine has an advanced needle threader, making it easy to thread the needle and get started on projects quickly. The MC500E also has a range of convenience features, including a start-stop button, automatic thread cutter button, and auto-return post-thread break. These features make the machine easy and efficient to use, even for those who are new to embroidery. Finally, the MC500E makes it easy to import designs via USB and edit them using the on-screen editing functions. The machine's LCD color touchscreen provides clear navigation through all of these features, making it easy to create beautiful and personalized projects. At number 3 on our list is the Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is the perfect combination of functionality and convenience. With 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts, this machine allows you to personalize your projects to your heart's content. The 4 by 4 inches embroidery field and included hoop, embroidery arm, and 7 sewing feet provide you with all the tools you need to tackle any project. One of the standout features of the CES600 is the automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin, making it easy to get started on your project without having to struggle with threading the needle. With 103 built-in sewing stitches, including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes, this machine offers a wide variety of stitching options to suit any project. Additionally, the maximum sewing speed of 710 stitches per minute ensures that you can get your project completed quickly and efficiently. The large 3.2 inches LCD color touchscreen is another impressive feature of the Brother CES600. It allows you to customize and preview your designs before stitching, ensuring that you get the exact look you want. Choose, resize, and recolor your designs with ease, thanks to the user-friendly interface. While this product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts, and any other use or sale voids the warranty, it is still a fantastic option for those looking for a versatile sewing and embroidery machine. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewist, the Brother CES600 is a machine that will help you bring your creative vision to life. Overall, it is a reliable, easy-to-use, and feature-packed machine that is definitely worth considering. At number 4 is the Singer Legacy SE300 Embroidery Machine. The Singer Legacy SE300 Embroidery Machine is a powerful and versatile sewing machine with a variety of features that make it a great choice for anyone who enjoys sewing and embroidery. With 250 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches, this machine is ideal for a wide range of projects, from fashion to home decor to quilting and more. One of the standout features of this machine is the automatic needle threader, which makes it easy to thread the needle without any frustration or eye strain. This feature is particularly useful for those who find threading the needle to be a difficult task. The Singer Legacy SE300 also has an extra-large embroidery area, snap-on embroidery hoops, and USB stick embroidery design transfer, which expands your creative and monogramming possibilities. With a maximum sewing speed of 800 stitches per minute and 700 embroidery stitches per minute, this machine can complete projects quickly, making it a great choice for anyone who wants to get things done efficiently. The LCD touchscreen makes it easy to adjust sewing and embroidery settings, while the 10 snap-on presser feet, including the all-purpose foot, satin stitch foot, overcasting foot, blind hem foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot with underplate, straight stitch foot, button sewing foot, open toe foot, and parallel sewing foot make it easy to customize your projects and achieve professional-looking results. Overall, the Singer Legacy SE300 Embroidery Machine is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile sewing and embroidery machine. With a wide range of features and accessories, it is sure to meet the needs of even the most demanding users. The fifth product on our list is the Brother P535 Embroidery Machine. If you are looking for an embroidery machine that is easy to use and offers plenty of options for customization, the Brother P535 Embroidery Machine may be just what you need. With 80 built-in designs and 9 lettering fonts, this machine allows you to personalize your projects with ease. One of the standout features of the P535 is the USB port, which allows you to upload and store your own embroidery designs. This means you can easily access your favorite designs without having to search through the machine's built-in designs. The large color touchscreen is another highlight of the P535. With a 3.2 inches inch LCD screen, you can preview your designs before stitching and make any necessary adjustments. This feature is especially useful for those who like to experiment with different color combinations or who want to see how their design will look before committing to stitching it out. The 4x4 inches embroidery field is perfect for those who want to create small to medium-sized designs. And with the included hoop, you can get started on your projects right away. It is important to note that the P535 is an embroidery machine and does not function as a traditional sewing machine. If you are looking for a machine that can both sew and embroider, you may need to consider a different model. Overall, the Brother P535 embroidery machine is a great choice for those who want a machine that is easy to use, offers plenty of design options, and allows for personalization. And with the USB port and large color touchscreen, you can easily customize your projects and bring your embroidery ideas to life. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.